Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So we will wait for others. Meanwhile, we will start some numericals from the exercises. How to draw a tangent on a given circle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only three people join. So once everyone join, we'll discuss some other numericals. You are able to see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Draw the third question. How to do the third question? Explain, Niranjan, and go. Draw. Question number 3. How to do? Can you read out the question and let me know how to draw the? This is a triangle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points PQ on one of its extended diameter of each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its 7 centimeter from its center. Draw the tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. How to draw? Niranjan, Sandhya, anyone can give how to draw this one?
Sir, first we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters, sir.
This is a circle of radius 3 centimeter and this is the diameter. This is the center, for example. Okay. Next.
So from the point of center of the circle, we have to draw 7 centimeters, sir, from circle. And then you have to mark the line as PQ, sir. And then we have to bisect the line and P and Q. And then
See, read the question. What is he asking?
draw a circle of radius. Take 2 points P and Q.
It says that
One
how to
of
take
its
the
extended.
how to take the 2 points? How you have to take the 2?
We
See
have to
here,
include diameter also, sir.
extend the diameter like this. P is a point which is at a distance of 7 centimeter. Q is a point which is at a distance of 7 centimeter. And now bisect this OP and from here and draw the circle with the help of like this. Draw the tangents. Same as OQ also bisects and draw the circle wherever it is meeting, draw the tangents from Q. Clear what I'm saying? Is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Will you draw and show it to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to draw and show it to me, Niranjan, Sandhya, and Hamsini. I want to check. Please draw and just share it to me. Once done, please share the diagram. So this is a solution by
Sir, Niranjan, sir.
the given triangle, the given circle I am unable to see.
Okay, sir. I will draw it.
I will show you. So next question you try. The
Okay,
given
sir.
circle in the sense, you can able to see on my screen.
Yes,
See,
sir.
main given circle of 3 centimeter radius circle I am unable to see.
Okay, sir.
I want to say which diagram means. So the first circle. So what is the first circle? This is the circle.
Yes, sir.
So the circle I am unable to see.
Okay, sir.
So
draw.
it looks like all the 3 circles of same thing. But this is the given circle. This is P, this is Q, and this is O. This is 3 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter radius. These are the tangents. You can say A, B, C, D. And this circle and this circle are construction circles. So this is more thickness. The tangents are main diagram. This is a given circle. This is a construction circle. So 3 different variations of shades you have to draw to explain it properly. So show it a little bit clearly for next time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting it properly.
Why? So this is also correct. Extend the diameter. Left side you take 1 point, right side you take a point at a distance of 7 centimeter. So this is by 25901 phone number.
Sandhya,
Who is this?
sir.
Sandhya, yes, it's good, correct. Naming is important.
Yes, sir.
O, P, Q, and give the tangents P, A, P, B, Q, S, Q, T, like that. Okay. These
Okay,
are the names. Because this P will touch the circle at these 2 points, 2 different points. Q will touch the circle at 2 different points. Yeah. So where you are where you are unable to get, ma'am,
Sir,
Namsini,
yeah, sir.
where you are
Sir, I
missing?
drew it, but then it is not coming properly, sir. That's the
How much you done? You just share it to me. No problem. How much you done? You share. I will try to correct.
yeah, one.
The people who completed, go for the second question. Sandhya and Niranjan, start the second question.
The question, please. Thank you, sir.
1 second. Second question. Construct a tangent of a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculations. I will explain. You try to draw the construction part.
Sir, I have sent you, sir.
Yeah, I am checking. Why you are drawing on both sides? How to draw? Why you are confusing, madam? How to draw a tangent? Why you are joining the common points?
Sir, last class I did not come, sir, so I didn't know how.
See here, I will explain. Almost you done correct, but drawing the
Yes, sir.
tangents you done wrong. Drawing the
Okay, sir.
tangents you done wrong. See here, this is your first diagram. With red color, I am showing your first diagram. This is a circle
Okay,
you
sir.
draw, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the first step. The second
Yes,
step is with the blue color I am drawing. What is the second step? You have to mark the diameter. So this is the diameter. The diameter. So center is O, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. I need 7 centimeter. Extend this diameter line. Extend this diameter line. So you will get, this is Q point, this is P point. So take OP and find out the midpoint. How to do the midpoint? How to calculate? How to so bisector.
bisector.
So if you're doing a bisector, you will get a midpoint here. Using this midpoint, suppose this midpoint is like A, AP as the center, draw a circle. Got it what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
See this red color line, blue color line, where it is meeting. So from there, you draw the tangents. This is same as here also. From Q, take arc from O and bisect, and with respect to this is as a center, draw a circle wherever it is meeting. So I will explain with someone's examples. See here, I will explain with Sandhya's example, it will be easy because she done. See this one?
Yes, sir.
This is the first one. This circle is the first step. After drawing the circle, and you have to locate the point. Locating the P point, locating the Q point is the second step. So from here, this is O. OQ is 7 centimeter. So these are the intersection points, like bisecting the OP, OQ separate. Once you got the bisecting, this is as the center, this is C1 and this is C2. And with this is the radius. From C1 to O as a radius, draw the circle. So you are meeting at these 2 points. So join P and this point and P and this point, you will get the one set of tangents. Same as the here also. This is as a center, draw the circle and join the, see, it is meeting the main circle here. This is a main circle. The red color which is I'm drawing is the main circle. Clear?
Yes.
Will you do it again?
Yeah, okay, sir.
You do it, after that only go for the second question.
Okay, sir.
Try. Guys, got the second question, Sandhya and Niranjan?
No, sir.
Yeah, try, not an issue. What is the first step, Sandhya, in second question?
Sir, we have to draw 2 concentric circles, sir.
One is 4 centimeter, another one is centimeter, correct?
Yes, sir.
So after this,
Then we have to take a point P on the bigger circle, sir.
yes, take anywhere, it's your wish.
Yes, sir.
Join this circle and bisect and draw a circle.
Circle and draw the tangent.
Yes. So this, the circle will look like this. The diagram will look like this. First circle, second circle, construction circle, and these are the tangents. Right. Total 3 circles will come in a single figure. Sandhya, I think you already sent the answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the right answer. Try to highlight the given circles little bit dark, because all are looking same kind of brightness.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to show the just the 2 concentric circles with one kind of thickness. The construction circle will be little light and the tangent should be little thick. Niranjan, once you've done, please post here. See, this is the answer for the question. I will give the analytical answer. He is asking us to prove analytically also. What is the meaning of analytically? How you will calculate the length of the tangent for a circle?
Sir, can I send you the first one?
Yeah, you can go for the first one. After completion of everyone, I will we will go for some other questions. Do the first question if you're done.
Yeah, sir. First question over, sir. So now with sum.
Yes, Niranjan, right answer. Hamsini, if you are facing any issue, please let me know. I will help you again.
Yeah, sir. That question I completed. Now which question, sir?
Yeah, second question. If you completed the question number 3, go for the second question.
Okay, sir.
Niranjan, go for the first question.
Yes, sir.
Hamsini, if completed, pose the second question also. Second and third, please. Send.
Yes, sir. Sending now.
Who completed first question, please hold on a minute. I have to discuss certain things in second question. After that, we'll go together with the third question. Yes. Hamsini, this is a question you sent.
Sir, this is
No, sir.
This is the first question, correct, Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second question, Hamchini, am I right?
Sir, this is the third question I asked out, sir. Second I sent, sir.
Yeah. No, do it slowly and send it.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Yeah. Go for first question.
Yes, sir.
Once done the first question, we'll back to the second question for everyone. So who completed first question, just wait for a few minutes. Sandhya, this is the first question answer from you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hold on a minute. Once Hamchini done the first question, we will go to the second question again because there is a small part remaining in the second question. What is that one? Can you tell?
To find the length of the tangent, sir.
So measure with the scale and let me know what is the length of the tangent in the second question.
Sir, 4.5 centimeter.
Yeah, so we have to prove that one practically. This is practical way to calculate the length of the tangent. The same thing we have to prove analytically. That means using the calculations. So once Hamsini done the first question, we will do that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll wait for her. Just a few minutes. Yes. So try to improve the naming and constructions part also. So what is how you done the procedure also. So I am taking the anyone's question. So this is a question sent by Hamsini. I am taking this question. I am completing the rest of the part in second question. What is the second question? He is asking us to prove what is the length of the tangent by using the calculations. Check whether your answer is practically and calculation analytically both are same or not. So when you measured with the scale, you got 4.5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So approximately it is 4.5 or 4.4 and 4.5 in between. It will be very simple. See, you are drawing the tangents to the circle. I'm taking with different colors. The tangents are with red color or see here, this is the tangent. PA is one tangent, PB is another tangent. If I'm connecting to the radius and I join PO, and this is the right angle, I have to calculate PB length. PB square plus OB square is equals PO square. What is the PO length? Substitute the values and tell me. Yeah, this PO length is 6 centimeter, and this is a radius of 4 centimeter. So PB we don't know. So PB square plus OB is 4 square, PO is 6 square. So PB square is equals 36 minus 16. So PB square is equals 20. So PB is equals root 20, that is 2 root 5. Check whether it is approximately 4.5 of Niranjan.
Yes.
Yeah, if it is 4.5, then our you can say the answers are tallied practically and analytically also. The answers are tallied practically and analytically also. Hansika, Niranjan and Sandhya,
Sir?
clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
2 root 5 is approximately equal to 4.47 you will get.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
4.47.
sir.
So it is almost equal to 4.5 because 4.47 can't be measured by general scale. 4.47, if you are rounding off to a single decimal, it is 4.5 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one you have to use a different method. Using the protractor only you are going to do. See the question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So first draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. You have to draw a tangent in such a way the angle between the tangents is 60 degrees. So this is 90, this is 90, automatically this will be 120. How we will proceed to draw this one? It will be simple. First draw any one radius line, OA. With this OA, draw 120 degrees. With the protractor, draw a vertical line here at B. Draw a vertical line at A. If you are drawing everything is correct, you will get the angle at P is 60 degrees. Got it? What I'm trying to say, guys?
Sir, from where we have to draw that 120 degrees, sir?
You take, suppose if I'm taking the circle, I'm taking he's asking the angle between the two tangents is, you take OA, you just randomly draw OA first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With OA, draw 120 degrees line OB. You have to draw OA OB with an angle of 120 degrees.
Okay, sir.
So at B, draw the perpendicular line. At A, draw the perpendicular line. So they will meet at one point. If you are doing correctly in the sense, if our constructions and everything is correct, this angle will become automatically 60. And PB, PA are the tangents. Got it? What I'm saying? First two
Yes.
step. This is the second step. This is the third step. Fourth step is drawing the tangents. The third step is crucial. You have to draw the two radius line with an angle of 120. You may draw like this also. Niranjan, take this one. You may draw like this also. 120. It will come like this. So that OA at any position you can take OA. That's not a problem. Anywhere on the circle, mark A, join O to A, and draw one more line of radius 120 degrees with respect to OA.
Completed, sir.
Sent?
Got it, sir.
Yeah, sent.
Okay, sir.
Yes, if you draw correctly, the angle will become automatically 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go for fifth question. If you done. Hamsini also done. Correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did using protractor.
Not a problem. If you are unable to remind how to draw 120 with a compass, you can draw with protractor.
Okay, sir.
Try to learn with compass also. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I thought we should do only with protractor, so I just did it with protractor.
But first preference is compass. If you are unable to remember, draw with compass. Draw with
Okay,
protractor.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Go for next one. Fifth question. Got it? How will you get the diagram? The final diagram will look here like this. This is AB with A 4 centimeter circle, with B 3 centimeter circle. From here you have to draw the tangents on B using the method. From B you have to draw the tangents on A. So we'll get the circle like this, but it will be little messy. So keep it in mind. Carefully you draw the things, because four tangents you are drawing on a single diagram. So try to draw. If you are not getting, don't confuse. Keep it in mind, one circle and draw the tangents on the other circle. Automatically you will get very easily. Anyone done, guys?
Sir, I'm sending you.
Yeah. Do it slowly. No, not an issue. Just I am asking.
So send, sir.
You will get a common circle for both the circles, correct?
Yes.
Correct. This is the final answer, guys. The middle circle is the construction circle. The smaller circle and the bigger circle is the given circles. So tangents BS and BR, AP and AQ are the tangents. think Hamsini or Niranjan, who sent?
Sir, mine, sir, Hamsin.
Yes, correct, Hamsini. Try to avoid double lining. The first circle you drawn with the double lining. It's not. Yes, no, it's not double lining. Sorry, it's a little thick. Enough. Okay. So understanding the question is very much important. Yes, it's good. Let's see what kind of different questions remaining here. Only 2 questions remaining here. We will complete this to at least 1 question. Try the 6th question. First to draw the triangle. If you are facing any issues, please let me know. Let ABC is a right angle triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter. So at B is the I'm taking BC 8 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter. So by joining, you will get the right angle triangle at B. So BD is a perpendicular drawn from the B on AC. You have to draw a perpendicular D from the B. So this is right angle. This is D. Construct the tangents, the circles through BCD. The circles passing through BCD. So we have to draw a circle which is passing through BCD. Construct the tangents from A. So take the center will come here, join here, bisector, and draw the circle to this center. So these are the tangents. Try. Drawing the circle is important here. Any doubt how to draw the circle? Please let me know, guys. I will help you.
Sir, that circle through BCD means how to draw, sir? That I'm getting confused from the diagram.
You have to use the properties of the triangles, man. Here, see here. This is a triangle. You completed this part. A, B, C. This part is completed.
Yes, sir.
So in a triangle, when the angle, suppose if I'm taking a diameter, if I'm adding this to anywhere like this angle is always 90 degrees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So automatically take the midpoint of BC, that is E, sorry, BCD. If you draw the circle from the E, automatically BC is the diameter. That is what indirectly he is saying. BC is the diameter. Then only it is possible at D it is right angle now. See, the circle is passing through BDE, BDC, where D is 90 degrees. So it is possible only BC is the diameter. Is it clear what I am saying? Will you remember in 9th standard circles?
Yes, sir.
The angle subtended by, what is the theorem, that one?
Triangle subtended by equal arcs of the circle are equal, sir.
No. The angle subtended by the chords which is joining at the end of the, no, it's like, see, if you are drawing any chords from the ends of a diameter anywhere, suppose if I'm taking the diameter, if I'm taking anywhere like this, so I'm drawing the two chords, this angle is always 90 degrees, it's a right angle. Take any point on the circle and join the diameter ends, the angle subtended between the two chords is always right angle. So using that, here D is right angle. So ultimately BC is the diameter. Take the midpoint of BC and draw the circles. Once you got the main circle, from A you have to draw the tangents to that circle.
Okay, sir.
So from A again, join the center of BC, bisect the dotted line. So this is a center, and we using this, and this is our tangents. It looks little messy, but it is a simple only. Try. If you are not getting, let me know. Once done, send the solution. Yes. Correct. Hamsini, Sandhya, who sent this one?
Sandhya, sir.
No. So write it. Correct.
Okay, sir.
But the triangle you have to show with the same thickness. ABC should be one thickness. This circle will be the same thickness, and rest of the things a little bit light, and a tangent should be little more thickness.
Okay, sir.
Done, Niranjan and Hamsini?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, taking photo.
Okay. It's good.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting the circle which is passing through the BCD, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm not getting the circle which is passing through BC and D, sir.
Can you share your diagram? How much you completed?
Yes, sir.
Take the midpoint of BC.
Okay, sir.
Take the midpoint of BC. 4 centimeter exactly. Check. these 3 points B, C, all will become like 4 centimeter. From here 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. Can you able to draw the circle now? You are not getting?
Sir, I am trying, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Then you done that vertical line is wrong somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Line is wrong somewhere. Then only you won't get the triangle. You verified this length is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Then this perpendicular you done wrong. You just try one more time. Otherwise, I will explain in the next class. So try to do some more questions. Careful these kind of questions. I will send some more questions to practice. So any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. We'll meet in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.